got there? What do you got? Wow. What is that slime? They're embryos?
What? Subscribe to channel, hit the like button.
Let's grab it. Come on, let's grab all the slime here. Wow, you got dinosaurs, you got legs, you got arms, you got skeleton. Look at the spine right here. Slime, it's all slime. That's right. Is that a bubble in the slime? All these different kind of skeletons. Look at this. These are dinosaur fossils. Whoa, look at this slime. Wow. Zizzo, what do you got there?
Some cars in the slime. Mommy, give me.
You putting cars in the slime? Wow, look at that. Let me see how that looks.
I need more cars. I need more.
One slime. You put more cars in there? Car in there. You got another vehicle inside the slime. We're putting in all these vehicles inside the slime. See what's going to happen. We have all the vehicles crumbled up with the dinosaur fossils. All right, you just got another vehicle in there.
All aboard!
All these vehicles, putting it inside this slime tar, kind of gooey stuff. You got a train there? You got a whole train? Look at this train. Let's see how this train is going to react to the slime. You see that? Wow, so gooey.
I'm trying more.
You gonna bring in more? What do you have there?
A car.
Oh, you got another car? Look at this. Let me see how that slime looks. Whoa! This stuff is so slimy. Look at this. Oh, no wonder why they call it slime.
Huh?
Look at these vehicles.
It's fine.
Let me see.
I told you.
Okay, go ahead. Put it in. You got enough vehicles in there?
No. No. Yes. I think it isn't.
Enough? I think this is enough. This.
Good.
Yeah.
Don't take it off. Don't take it off in the night. Daddy, don't take it off if you're sleeping.
No, I'm not going to take it off. We're going to leave it in there, all right? We're going to leave all the slime in there. You see that?
Dinosaurs.
Wow. It's dinosaurs.
You're kind of goofy.
It is. All right, let's examine the dinosaur pieces.
Whoa. Hey, goofy.
Yeah, very, very gooey. Gooey and slimy.
Black.
Like slime. That's exactly what it is. Like tar. Yep. All right, that's it, folks.
Subscribe to channel, hit like button. Subscribe to channel, hit like button.